So we just got off the elevator. We have a very nice view over here. There's the lobby where we just checked in. We are on the 28th floor, high up. Let's see what this MGM room looks like. Seems pretty tranquil. Alrighty. I'm excited. One good thing, our flight came in early and they let us go into the check-in area and request to get in early. And here's our room. Very nice. So we have a king-size bed that's huge. TV. Let's see the view. Nice painting on the wall. Cheers. Little desk area. And let's see our view. Wow. That's nice. Way up on the 28th floor of the MGM Grand. There's, yeah, Mandalay Bay, Delano. Can you turn the lights in the bathroom so I could do the bathroom real quick? There's the lobby area, Tropicana, oh my goodness, Excalibur. We have a view of everything. There's New York, New York. Wow, there's a roller coaster. Oh my goodness, there's so much to do and we just checked in. This is awesome. Okay, so let's see. We have a full-size mirror, which is nice. Closet. And here's our bathroom. Very nice. I like it. Okay, so if you're ever staying at the MGM Grand, there's almost 7,000 rooms in this building. How many floors? Approximately 30 floors, because we are on the 28th floor and there were still people on the elevator going higher. So here we go. And again, let's check out that view. Oh, I'm loving it. I feel like every day all we have to do is look out the window and see what we want to do for the day, which is amazing. I love it. Love, love, love.